हडफडच्या बर्ज अग्निकांडान 25 जाणांक मरण आयिल्लें. नायट क्लब बेकायदेशीरपणान सुरू आशिल्लो तरीकूय क्लबाचेर कारवाय करूंक ना म्हूण कोर्टान सरकाराचे कान उडिल्ले. ते उपरांत 16 डिसेंबराक कोर्टांत ह्या प्रकरणात जनहीत याचिका घातली. हायकोर्टान याचिकेची दखल घेवन 12 जानेवारीक सुनावणी दवरल्या.
Honorable Court has tagged this matter with the suo motu writ petition which was yesterday, which was mentioned before the Honorable Court. So the matter is now listed on January 12, 2026. Also the direction is there to file a reply to the state. So we are waiting for the reply of the state. So judicial inquiry and the court monitored inquiry should be conducted in the entire incidents, because it was a mass murder, a sort of man-made disaster where 25 people have lost their life. It has second not only the state of Goa but also the entire nation.
सो काल सो मोटो घेतिल्ल्या कारणाक आमी सांगलो ही मॅटर त्याच मॅटरी बरोबर टॅग करून गव्हर्मेंटाक दोनी मॅटरींनी जॉयंट रिप्लाय फायल करून. सो आमची मॅटर आज जी ऐश्वर्या जे पिटिशनर आसा तांच्या मॅटरीन हायकोर्टान ती मॅटर कालच्या मॅटरी बरोबर टॅग केल्या. इन द पिटिशन वी मेड अ प्रेयर दॅट इट कॅन बी आयदर अ हायकोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड इन्क्वायरी or High Court can appoint a retired High Court judge to conduct the inquiry into the whole issue, or appoint something like a SIT which will be above all this collector or magisterial inquiry which the government is doing.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.